Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you how to caramelize your pepitas, your peanuts, almonds, and pecans at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. 2 caramelize all these nuts. These are the ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, water, brown sugar, pecans, pepitas, almonds, and peanuts. This is everything we need to prepare these delicious and amazing caramelized nuts. So let's get started.
You want to have all your ingredients ready. I have the pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 cups of the nuts. And here I'm going to start with 1 cup of brown sugar. To this, I am going to add the 4 tablespoons of water, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this is the base. I am going to add my pepitas because I want to start with pepitas first. I'm adding 2 cups of pepitas, and as you could see that it's very watery. You're going to leave it in here. When it starts boiling, that's when you know that you cannot step away from the pan. Look at this. Once it starts boiling, you need to continue mixing, making sure that everything is incorporated and nothing sticks to your pan. It's going to take a couple minutes. You're going to notice that it's going to start getting nice and thick. The color of the brown sugar is going to completely change to a darker color, like a cinnamon color. When it changes color, you could already smell the aroma of the pepitas. It is time to remove because they could easily get burned. You have already a tray with some saran, with some paper, non-stick paper on the bottom, and then you're just gonna mix them really good. Separate all the pepitas as much as you can. Please be very careful because they are really hot and dangerous. In the same pan, I'm gonna continue doing the same procedure, adding my brown sugar, the 4 tablespoons of water, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and then 2 cups of the peanuts. Yes, you can leave the peanuts with the skin or without the skin. And here I'm just going to continue moving, mixing very well. Remember, when it starts bubbling, you cannot step away. It's going to take a couple minutes when you start noticing that there's no more liquid on the bottom and the brown sugar has completely changed color to a dark cinnamon color. Then it's time to remove. You could already smell the peanuts, but you want to make sure that there is no liquid on the bottom and that the brown sugar has caramelized really good. Once this is done, have a tray ready with parchment paper so you could add it directly on top. And please be very careful. These nuts are very hot and they're very dangerous. Let them rest for at least 30 minutes before you start pulling them apart. Look at this. Make sure that you separate all the peanuts so that it's easy for you when they are nice and cold at room temperature. You are able to pull them apart very easily. and enjoy them with your beautiful family. I am sure you're going to love this recipe. Here I'm going to continue doing the same procedure. Let me tell you, I am sure that you're going to love this recipe. Once you make your nuts at home, you are going to continue enjoying them in salads, in desserts, in so many different ways you can enjoy these caramelized nuts. Of course, in a delicious salad for summer, in delicious crispy tacos, you name it. Well, here I have the almonds, and they are getting nice and thick, nice and cinnamon color. Remember that when there is no more liquid to go, then you are ready to remove. These almonds come out so crunchy, crispy. Oh my gosh, the flavor amazing. Just be careful. Be careful because they are very dangerous. They are really hot. I hope, my friends, that if you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And thank you so much for being part of my family. And here, these are the last pecans that I'm going to cover and caramelize. Remember that I'm using the same pan, and I'm adding 2 cups of the pecans, and then I'm ready to stir it really good. Once it starts bubbling, you see all those juices in there. They're getting covered completely. Oh my gosh, my mouth is already watering, and I know that they're gonna taste so delicious. They're gonna be so crunchy, crispy from the outside, but yet the flavor of the brown sugar just amazing. You could add them to yogurt, add them to a cake, add them to so many different dishes. Sweet, savories, you name it. And here I'm just gonna go ahead, pull them apart, and then I'm just going to wait at least 20 minutes until they are completely at room temperature. I don't want to get burned. Let me show you how the pepitas look. They've been resting for about 30 minutes. Look at this, the peanuts, nice and covered, the almonds, oh my gosh, nice and caramelized, and of course the pecans. Now is time to pull them apart and show you how they look. I know that this is time consuming, but let me tell you, they come out so delicious. If you haven't tried the pepitas, oh my god, they are delicious. You could add them in a salad and you're going to love your salad. Nice and savory, nice and sugary. Oh my god, this is just amazing. Well, here I'm going to continue pulling them apart. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I hope, my friends, that you make this amazing recipe. You have 4 recipes in one video, and you're going to really enjoy them. In this part, even the kids could help you. Pulling apart all the nuts, the almonds, the pepitas, the pecans. Oh, look at this. The peanuts. I'm just going to pull them apart. Make sure that you add them to a glass jar where you could cover them really nice and tight so that they will be good for a couple of weeks. Or even longer if you put them in your refrigerator in an airtight glass container. Look at this. I hope, my friends, you give me a thumbs up, you share this video on social media, and I'll see you in just a little bit. caramelized and delicious. If you liked and you love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. I will stay enjoying these amazing caramelized nuts. I hope, my friends, you enjoy them too. See you soon.